What up great people, it's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the behind the back swing. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So this move is very simple for beginners, but you notice I'm using a beaded rope here as opposed to my freestyle long-handled speed rope I use most of the time. Now I advise you to use something similar or get a short-handled speed rope that has weight of like 100 to 150 grams on the rope. This is because it will give you a good feedback to know where the rope is in space and how to move it behind your back. Now this move is something like this. So you have to swing behind like so. So as we go in this video, I'll be showing you side and behind the back view so you can actually understand what happens with the rope and my hands behind. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get on to this tutorial. Now the first thing you need to do is to learn the swing itself. Now to learn the swing, you need to put your hands movement under consideration. Let me give you a side view before I give you the behind view. Now the trick of this move is that you're swinging the rope away, so the hand of same side of the side of your body kind of move further away, while this one kind of bring the rope handle, pointing the handle not straight for side to the side, a bit backwards, so it kind of spin the rope backwards. So to explain what I'm talking about with a practical, it will look something like so. So you're kind of swinging it away from your body, because if you swing it close to your body, it gets caught on your legs. Now another hack to prevent it from getting caught on your leg is to kick your leg outwards, especially when you are doing it fast. Like maybe you're doing a jump rope trick and you quickly enter a side swing, you kind of kick out like so. So that kicking out will create more space for the rope to swing to your side so it doesn't get caught on your leg. So I've given you two hacks. Now we have to learn the hand movement, like I said. So it will look something like so. Like so. So remember, you have to keep swinging the rope away from your body as it comes side and forward. So let me give you a back view. So what happens is this. So once you can maintain that very well, you won't have issues swinging behind your back. So you have to practice that perfectly before you incorporate your rope. Now if you're doing or performing this jump rope trick with a beaded jump rope, you get the same feeling I'm getting right here on this tutorial. If you're doing it with a short handled speed rope, you get something similar to this feel you get with this beaded jump rope. And if you do it with a freestyle jump rope, as a beginner, right, you know, freestyle jump ropes are very light. They don't give you that feedback, so it gets a lot difficult, and you'll be getting it hitting your leg most of the time, it tangles on you. So as you learn, you can use the hack of kicking away as you swing from time to time if you're using the long-handled freestyle jump rope. So it will look something like this. So this is what you'll be doing from most of the time. But since I'm using a beaded jump rope, I don't really need to do that because it has a good feel and it responds to the swing movement my hands are giving, so it won't trip on my body that easily. But if you're using a freestyle jump rope, which is not so heavy on the rope, it will kind of trip on your body. So you need to, from time to time, kick away so the rope doesn't trip on you. But after learning for a while, you notice you get the hair of like swinging it away from your body, and it won't be tripping on you. You'll be doing it like a professional. So remember, hands movement is very important to this move. You swing away from your body. I'll be showing you a slow-mo version of this move so you learn it better at a slow speed. So let's head on to the slow-mo version, guys. I'm sure by now you've been nailing this move like a professional after watching the slow-mo version, and I advise you to practice this move from time to time. Do it, if you like, do it every day a week, because it won't really have impact on you. But if you're not so flexible behind, like moving your hand behind your back, you might get some pains around your shoulder and arm because you're kind of stretching this joint to move or swing the rope behind you. And you can also tilt a bit backwards to give you more room to swing if you get that pain. So you kind of make that bend or make the flexion on your knee to get this backward swing. Then when you're done, you can switch forward. So remember these few tips, practice with those few tips, and I'll show you you'll be nailing this move like a professional in a very short period of time. Also, I'll show you in the slow-mo version how to like transit from other moves to this back swing and transit from the back swing to other moves, so you can better incorporate this move to other combos of jump rope. And I'll show you your jump rope experience will be a lot different from now. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friend who is still increasing or adding to the numbers of jump rope tricks on his jump rope journey, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on notification, all the notifications, so you don't miss out on any content at all from us. Until next time guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself guys. Enjoy.